Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark tweets on Twitter using the Android phone. Now, once you're in the home screen of your Twitter account, you might scroll up and down and see tweets. Now, if you want to bookmark a specific tweet, you might click on it and click on the share button on the right side and click the bookmark button. Once it's done, this tweet will be added to your bookmarks. Now you will click on your profile photo and click on the bookmark tab. And in this page, you will see the tweets that you just bookmarked. And that's it. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!